So after you spray it on, it starts to dissipate, but it's kind of working its way in, cleaning the inside. This side's extra filthy. But after it's on for a couple minutes, you hose it down. You don't have to hose it either, but this is extra filthy. You're definitely going to hose this. I usually always hose it. The more you clean it, the better the system's going to work. See, the top's coming out nice and clean. But this pot wasn't extremely bad. So we'll see. The little pieces and stuff you can pick off gently with your fingers if the water doesn't take it off. It's actually working pretty good on this side. Let's see how the bottom works out. Alright, it's not perfect, so I'll try picking some out and see how the end of the brush works from the can.